We all use cooking oils in our daily cooking, thinking they're harmless. But the truth is, these common oils can be detrimental to our health. In fact, they can be a major contributor to many health problems we face today. Today, we're going to expose the 5 surprising ways in which your cooking oil might be sabotaging your health without you even realizing it. From subtle tweaks to your daily habits to making conscious choices about the types of oils you use, we'll dive into the shocking truth about cooking oils. Way 1. High in trans fats. Trans fats are a type of unsaturated fat that have been chemically altered through a process called hydrogenation. This process is used to solidify liquid oils, extending their shelf life and enhancing flavor stability. Trans fats are commonly found in partially hydrogenated oils, which are used in many processed foods, margarines, and baked goods. Health impacts of trans fats. Consuming trans fats has been linked to numerous health problems, including increased risk of heart disease. Trans fats raise bad cholesterol, LDL levels, while lowering good cholesterol, HDL levels, leading to a higher risk of heart disease. Inflammation. Trans fats can promote inflammation in the body, contributing to chronic diseases such as diabetes and arthritis. Insulin resistance. High trans fat intake can impair insulin sensitivity, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Tips for avoiding trans fats. Read labels. Look for terms like partially hydrogenated oils on ingredient lists. Choose liquid oils. Opt for oils that remain liquid at room temperature, such as olive oil or canola oil. Cook at home. Prepare meals from scratch using whole ingredients to avoid trans fats in processed foods. Way 2. Oxidation and free radicals. Oxidation is a chemical reaction that occurs when oils are exposed to heat, light, and air. This reaction produces free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases. How cooking oil oxidizes. Heat. High cooking temperatures accelerate the oxidation process. Light. Exposure to light can degrade oil quality, leading to oxidation. Air. Oxygen in the air reacts with the oil, causing it to oxidize over time. Health risks of oxidized oil. Cell damage. Free radicals generated by oxidized oil can damage cell membranes, proteins, and DNA, increasing the risk of cancer and other diseases. Inflammation. Oxidized oils can promote inflammation, contributing to conditions such as heart disease and arthritis. How to minimize oxidation. Store properly. Keep oils in dark, airtight containers away from light and heat. Choose stable oils. Use oils with a high smoke point for cooking, such as avocado oil or coconut oil. Cook at lower temperatures. Avoid high-heat cooking methods like frying when possible. Way 3. High omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-6 fatty acids are a type of polyunsaturated fat found in many vegetable oils such as corn oil, soybean oil, and sunflower oil. While omega-6 fatty acids are essential for health, an imbalance between omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids can lead to health problems. Role of omega-6 in the diet. Omega-6 fatty acids are important for cell membrane structure. They help maintain the integrity and fluidity of cell membranes. Inflammation regulation. They play a role in the body's inflammatory response. Balance between omega-6 and omega-3. The ideal ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids is believed to be around 4:1 or lower. However, the modern diet often contains a ratio as high as 20.1 due to the widespread use of omega-6 rich oils. Health issues with high omega-6 intake. Inflammation. Excessive omega-6 intake can promote chronic inflammation, increasing the risk of heart disease, arthritis, and other inflammatory conditions. Imbalance. High levels of omega-6 can interfere with the beneficial effects of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for heart and brain health. Choosing oils with a better balance. Use omega-3 rich oils. Include oils rich in omega-3s such as flaxseed oil and fish oil in your diet. Limit omega-6 rich oils. Reduce the use of oils high in omega-6 fatty acids and opt for alternatives like olive oil and avocado oil. Way 4. Presence of harmful additives. Many commercial cooking oils contain additives to enhance flavor, stability, and shelf life. These additives can have negative health effects. Common additives in cooking oils. Antioxidants, added to prevent oxidation, but some synthetic antioxidants can be harmful. Flavorings. Artificial flavorings can cause allergic reactions and other health issues. Preservatives. Used to extend shelf life but may have adverse health effects. Health effects of these additives. Toxicity. Some additives, like certain synthetic antioxidants, can be toxic and potentially carcinogenic. Allergies. Artificial flavorings and preservatives can trigger allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Hormonal disruption. Some additives can interfere with hormone function, leading to reproductive and developmental issues. Identifying and avoiding harmful additives. Read labels. Look for oils labeled as pure or organic to avoid synthetic additives. Choose unrefined oils. Unrefined oils are less likely to contain harmful additives. Avoid processed foods. Reduce consumption of processed foods, which often contain oils with additives. Way 5. Environmental contaminants. Cooking oils can be contaminated with various environmental pollutants, including pesticides, heavy metals, and industrial chemicals. Sources of contamination. Pesticides. Used in growing oilseed crops, pesticides can remain in the final oil product. Heavy metals. Industrial pollution can lead to contamination with heavy metals like lead and mercury. Processing chemicals. Chemicals used in the extraction and refining processes can contaminate the oil. Health risks of contaminants. Toxicity. Exposure to heavy metals and pesticides can lead to acute and chronic health problems, including cancer, neurological disorders, and reproductive issues. Hormonal disruption. Many contaminants can interfere with hormone function, affecting growth, development, and metabolism. Ways to reduce exposure. Choose organic oils. Organic oils are produced without synthetic pesticides and are less likely to be contaminated with heavy metals. Use cold-pressed oils. Cold-pressed oils are extracted without the use of heat or chemicals, reducing the risk of contamination. Support sustainable practices. Opt for oils from producers who follow sustainable and environmentally friendly farming and processing practices. In summary, the way we use cooking oils can have a profound impact on our health. Cooking oil is a fundamental part of our diet, but it's crucial to be aware of the potential health risks associated with certain oils. By understanding the dangers of trans fats, oxidation, high omega-6 fatty acids, harmful additives, and environmental contaminants, you can make more informed choices about the oils you use in your kitchen. Opt for high-quality, minimally processed oils, and pay attention to storage and cooking methods to protect your health. Making these small changes can significantly improve your overall well-being and help you maintain a healthier lifestyle. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips and tricks to being the best version of you.